So we have our basic background and our icons for our Scrivener Christmas theme. Now I want to add some ribbons into the editor. What do you think? Red? For this, we need to make sure we're in Scrivenings mode and have added the Show chapter titles. Now we're going to go back into the File and Options and Appearance and choose Scrivenings. We're going to add the colour to the titles. Now this doesn't always work straight away. I had to return it to default first and then select the colour I wanted. But it was worth the effort, don't you think? We just need to change the text colour to complete the effect. And this is a change you can easily get back to normal by selecting your regular theme. Okay, we really need to sort out the weirdness in the binder and make it a little more sophisticated. We'll do that next time.